Guess I'm gonna need this today, huh? Alright guys, no more masks. Looks like I'm ready to go. See you luck out there. What's up, bro?
Yo, this fucking guy.
I'm recording, by the way. Oh, fuck.
Yo, this guy. National quarantine, bro.
Yeah, brother.
Yeah.
I didn't have a mask, so I used tape.
You should've got Flex Seal.
You know what?
Been better.
I'd have been dead by now, G.
Oh my god. I'm trying to find a way out of this. I don't bottom my shit up.
Yeah, bro. I'm surprised you drove in my block. They it up.
I don't know how to drive over here with that.
I just screamed. Honestly. It's
My
for
boy.
you, G. This is for you. It's an undisclosed amount. I'm not going. It's a lot though. It might not look like a lot because it's all hundreds. Here you go.
Thanks, Mike.
So I'm recording right now. I gotta make at least 5 cents back. Shit. Try and get my money's worth. I'm recording, by the way.
So this is day whatever for coronavirus and
What?
Georgia shop.
This is a car channel. This ain't no coronavirus show.
Car shop.
Not gonna lie, I might put coronavirus in this title to give you some more money, man. Just telling everybody I'm trying to get my money's worth. Think I'm gonna sleep here for the night.
So you drinking my water, drinking my coffee, and eating my chips? Alright, cool.
I'm about to sleep here for the night.
Alright, bro. Take that little wolf outside.
So this is a gasket Big Boost provide you. Right?
Yeah.
They provide you that gasket so you don't use the stock gasket,
Uh-huh.
right? This is, I don't know, I think this is some coolant hose. I'm gonna throw this shit to you. Welcome back to the episode Big Boost.
He said, well,
This is a gasket Big Boost kit provide you. You know, it's flat because the manifold is a cast iron manifold. So they give you a specific gasket so you don't reuse your stock gasket, right? So this is not your turbo. This is 328.
oh, I know that's not
Yeah.
my turbo. That's missing a couple
So
cylinders, brother.
Yeah. If you see,
It's a little Mitsubishi.
yeah, you see the OEM gasket.
Uh-huh.
It push into like this area.
Yeah.
So that's what seals the manifold to the head, right? They left the stock gasket on the head, and then on top of that,
Put the big boost gas.
put the big boost gasket. So this was crushing into each other, so it leave a gap. So that was leaked. On top of the leave a gap, they didn't put none of the bulb on the top, and it's leaking for each cylinder.
Every part that's black obviously
Yeah.
is leaking out,
It's
right?
leaking. This one, it blow the gasket. You see it blow the gasket.
I call that horsepower.
Also some flames turning
It's
from
in
there.
play.
So we find out it was leaking that day that we were
Yeah,
in the
with
car.
the intake.
And then this is your oil return gasket. I don't know why they put a silicone, like bunch of silicone. So they put, I don't know, because the Big Boost kit, they provide you with a line that is rated for oil. This is like a coolant line. That's why it's soggy. That's why it's soggy. So I don't know why they put this, but you can see it was way over tight because it was big.
Oh, yeah.
So I put you AN line. So it's a little fancy now.
You put an AN line.
Yeah.
You know what? I like the way it sounds. Just
I fixed your coolant leak. It was the pipe that they give you, the crossover pipe. They overpassed the hose, so it was clamping like around, like in the curve.
Yeah.
So when they clamp it, was have a gap. So it was leaking from there. It wasn't leaking like when the car was on. It was when you shut off that the pressure built in. So you have pressure, so it started leaking a little.
That's why I would always wake up in the morning and it was
low. Yeah. That's
why
why
I wouldn't care.
Now you have, in that pipe you have 4 clamps. I put double clamps so in case.
Shit, you know what that means?
Yeah.
200 horsepower each.
10.
That's 8.
Well, 40. All the colorful zip ties that you have holding the water pump, I put a bolt. So you don't have the
pink and the green?
A pink and a green and a red.
I like the pink one though.
I should live with the green. Because the car is green.
Yeah. Feels good to be back. Feels good to be back in the car, in the beast. Yeah, the 435, right? I've been trying to work my way around having to redo the install or have the guys do the reinstall. But I mean, it came down to it. They just took everything off and put it back on the way that they would do it. So thank you. I appreciate that. And now we can only move forward. So I'm happy to say that Saturday the car, let me give you a nice little pull. I can't really get into too much boost because it's not tuned properly. I'll get into that in a second. Oh, it feels real sharp. Like it feels very abrupt now. Like before it felt abrupt. But you can tell laziness. You can tell the laziness. Now it just feels very sharp. I'm scared to get on, like I said, because of the fact of it's not tuned all the way properly. It sounds about the same, to be 100% honest with you. I don't notice that faint tick 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 noise that I hear a lot. And like, if you guys ever heard like those excursions pass you, or those caravan, the minivan, Dodge Caravans, the older ones, you hear like the tick 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 tick. You know what I'm talking about? But or like the Ford Explorers, anything, you hear that tick 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 tick. Not injector tick, but like well, in this case, manifold leak. So I guess they would have the cracks as well. So I'm gonna take it by OD Performance and get the car on the dyno. We're gonna get a baseline to see how much it makes now. We should be able to do a couple hits. Now this is 20 PSI, and it was tuned with the exhaust leak in mind. But what happened is, I'm assuming Juan would go ahead and keep the wastegate shut. The duty cycle really go way high up so that the turbo could spool as quick as possible. However, I mean, it was still like a form of wastegate because the gases were escaping. That's the best way that I can explain it to you guys. So with this, and it was leaking out of all 6 cylinders, so it was a pretty significant leak. So with this setup now, or with it done correctly, I'm a little scared to get on it because I know it'll overboost. I think it was overboosting before, so I'll go ahead and explain to you as best as I can. I'm not a tuner, I'm not a super A-Tech mechanic, so kind of meet me somewhere in the middle, guys. Okay, so basically what I'm gathering from this whole thing is the wastegate was sealed shut. Like it was shut, trying to build boost. And then once it got over that, like maybe like, I don't know, 15 poundish, it just shot up, like the boost just spiked. And even like the wastegate couldn't open fast enough. So to help the overboosting, it actually opened the diverter valve as well to let boost escape. If I'm making any sense, the wastegate doesn't really let the boost escape. It just lets the exhaust gases escape in order so the turbo doesn't spool up to produce the boost. The diverter valve or blow-off valve, lets the actual physical cold charge air escape the throttle body, or when the throttle body, or in this case, I would say the valves, because this is a very different, I think this DYNO system is a lot different, or maybe a little bit different, who knows. But typically when the throttle body was shut, where would all that air go? It would go out into the atmosphere. If you have blow-off valve or diverter valve, it would divert back into the intake tubing. So that's what I think was happening. The wastegate couldn't really keep up with the way that the turbo was building boost because it was very laggy and then very spiky. So with the tune now, I'm not 100% sure if once the car spools up, the wastegate will open on its own, or that's like a tuning thing. I was always under the impression that's a tuning thing. They really control wastegate functions, or the duty cycle. So I'm gonna put on a dyno. I'm very, very tempted to do a log. I might do one a little later on tonight. Hit a quick pull, see what's going on, see what I can differentiate and determine. Hopefully want to tune the car on the very, very like rich side of things. I would assume these BMWs, once it overboosts, it would probably throw a drive chair mount function or something of that sort. I would hope so. But if not, then I mean, pretty much I'm toast, right? Spinning it, I'm not so much scared to do because, you know, it doesn't require a shit ton of boost to spin the tire, honestly. But I doubt the wastegate would need to be at 100% because I think that's a little too deadly, or 90 or whatever case it be. I think to get as much power as I'm getting now, maybe 20 pounds of boost, I would say like 5 and change. I really don't think that the high duty cycle is needed. I think it might cause damage. Like I said, I think. But yeah, so that's why I will take it to OD Performance and throw it on the dyno so we can get a baseline. Let you guys know how much power I'm making then, and then we'll turn it up progressively. First map was a 93 map. I'm gonna prove to a lot of you guys you don't exactly need a low pressure fuel pump. Could be wrong, but 93 map, I doubt I need a low pressure fuel pump. Not gonna be too conservative, but then it's not gonna be straight kill mode. It's gonna be somewhere real comfortable where, you know, if a lot of you guys, and not just M3 and 4, there's a lot more cars out there than just the M, but if a lot of you guys, you know, try to on the highway or something like that, you know, I'll be able to give you a little bit of juice, you know, maybe nice high fives or something like that, you know. But I really don't want to go into the 6s just on straight pump. But we'll see what the kit offers and what my motor can take. But that seems to be it. Loving the way the car drives. So I'm gonna be taking a break, guys. I'm not gonna be spending too much money. I'm just gonna try to do this as cost effective as possible, because tuning costs money, and I gotta get a tire on this sucker because straight line. Oh, yo, it scared me because one, it hooked. It actually hooked. 51 degrees outside. I'm on Indy Fire 500's no traction control on. I don't even know what roll that was because I was just doing a little baby pull, but it hooked, threw me back, and I don't know if you've noticed, but I actually let off the gas pedal just by the force. I didn't think that it was gonna really hold me back like that. I told you I wouldn't get on it. I for damn sure won't break. There's a little E60 5 Series hide in the cut. Trying to draw them out. See, look, it's happening already, guys. It's happening already. Oh, nah. Can't wait to see what numbers we'll pull, what boost we'll pull with the 93 pump tune. But I'll keep you guys in the loop. Later on today, I'm gonna go ahead and take some pics of the car. I'll probably post up something, let you guys see how it went. Or I'll grab an old clip from when I did it last time and I just never posted it up. I don't know. I'll do one of them. But yeah, so I mean, that's pretty much it for right now. I'm so happy, got the car back dialed in. Let you guys know what's happening next. Hopefully your car doesn't burn as much gas now, because it was burning a lot of gas. And if you guys ever have any questions about any type of tune or verbal tune or whatever, I'll make another video about it. But just as a quick synopsis, I do like the burble or the pops or whatever the case may be. However, I don't think I'm going to be running them, just because, especially up here, how these BMWs get the name, the fame of, you know, causing a lot of attention and getting pulled over a lot more now. Probably not going to run the burble or the gunshot tune a lot. So all the further tunes after this won't have it. Honestly, it just won't have it. I'll just run it regular, maybe stock burbles, we'll see. But obviously you can see that one died, so yeah, this one's next. All right, guys, peace out. This guy Jeff loves to do the most. Yo, it
make it look stand a lot more like that.
looks radioactive now. Look, legit. Look, it looks radioactive now, for real, for real.
You see the shine in that shit, man.
Yeah.
That's official, man.
Look at the city backdrop. I think it's nice. I bring out the iPhone when I don't feel like really vlogging like that. But, yo, if I can get the car on here, that'll be sick. If I get the B-roll, I gotta get the B-roll of the camera guy. Look at that. Woo, B-roll, B-roll. Uh-oh, he a shooter. Pops, he a shooter. Yo, I gotta get that hoodie though. That hoodie is mine, bro. I need that.
Now it matches, huh?
Send me the link, send me the link.
Yeah, 2 weeks ago we
Yo, Jeff, you outdone yourself. You outdone yourself. No, really, you have. You've done very good. Shout out to the stand shop.
Yeah, I kept this thing running.
That's
the fucking thing.
First motor on his STI. But look at that. This is Instagram right here, right?
The original motor, man.
Yo, Jeff, I really do not think, I don't think you should broadcast your, or I don't know how to put it, but your status.
It's the name of the car. This nigga boy got something smart, man. You know, he's got a wise guy over here.
I'm just saying, Jeff. Not everybody needs to know you got an STI, brother.
I like wise guys, man.
That everybody needs to know. It looks disgusting. It looks like throw up, bro.
Well, I mean,
You see it?
That's a nice kind of throw up. Green.
What kind of throw up is nice, Jeff?
Son, that's atomic green throw up. That's the best sign I get right there, man.
Let me know when you want to back up on the thing.
No, you can right now.
Wasn't even gonna film. This is kind of like just something different. Went out with my boy Jeff, and he's gonna go ahead and take some shots of the car. And yeah, super excited. So hang on for the ride.
So, this is a shot right there.
Yeah, that's a shot. Woo, woo! I don't even know what I'm looking at, but I'm looking at greatness. Oh, this thing is sick. Look at the backdrop of the city. Oh my God. Thumbnail.
I'm talking about location.
Thumbnail, brother.
Location, man. That's what I mean when I say that.
I don't know if I'm taking the thumbnail right now, but I'm trying.
Location.
Sheesh, Jeff. All right, that's free, right? All right, thanks, bro.
Location.
Thanks, bro.
Yeah.
All right, give me the pictures. I'm gonna run. Let's go.
You gonna get away too.
Oh yeah, I forgot the car.
Yeah, I can't catch you if you start running from me in this.
Shout out to Pro Dipper. But yeah, I'm gonna get out of my own way in my own car. But yeah, so we met up over here at Long Island City at the piers to go ahead and take some shots of the car. Last minute thing. Jeff is killing it. Like I said, didn't do an intro for you guys, so I figured this would be the intro. Loving the color of the car. I was actually filming another video the day before I gotta go in. Got work tomorrow, so this was a very, very hectic weekend.
I took like 50 photos already.
Oh yeah, I see my email.
Son, I'm gonna have to send you one at a time.
Fake taxi 93 at gmail.com.
Yo, that's a crazy idea. Yo,
No, somebody has it on M5 already.
I
I would love to, but this is like the green taxi, so I was thinking of putting fake taxi and putting borough, because the green taxis have the borough. I think about putting fake taxi borough on the bottom.
The ones in Queens is green, and the ones
Yeah.
obviously in Manhattan are yellow.
Yeah,
You
so
can put some fake shit on the side. It's easy,
Yeah.
removable. Like,
Oh, this
make
guy.
it think it's a taxi, son.
Yo.
This would have been crazy. That's nice.
it'd be fire.
Son, this is the craziest shit I've seen in a long time, man.
Honestly, it's the craziest shit I've ever done in a
I'm
long
proud of you,
time.
son.
I'm proud of myself, honestly. I'm very proud of myself. Do you know why?
Because you didn't wreck it.
Yeah, absolutely. This car has lasted a long time.